Imagine carrying 300 retro games in your pocket on a device so small you can literally see the circuits keeping it alive. This is the new Arduboy FX-C, and it might be the most charming handheld of the year. Arduboy has always stood out with its minimalist credit card-sized consoles, and now the FX-C refreshes the formula, keeping the soul of the original while packing in smart upgrades fans have been asking for. The biggest change? Goodbye micro USB. The FX-C shifts to USB-C, making charging easier and unlocking a brand new multiplayer mode. But here's the twist. Multiplayer only works with a Thunderbolt 3 compatible cable. Lose the included cable and you'll need a pricey replacement. The new model also expands its built-in library from 200 to 300 games, an instant collection of platformers, shooters, puzzles, and creative indie experiments. And since it's Arduino-based, the community keeps releasing new titles you can download anytime. The Arduboy FX-C keeps that iconic Arduboy aesthetic, a single exposed circuit board inside a transparent plastic shell. It's a handheld that proudly shows its engineering, turning its internals into part of the design itself. Inside, you'll find a 1-bit OLED display with crisp 128 by 64 resolution, powered by an Atmega32U4 microcontroller. There's 2.5 kilobytes of RAM, 16 megabytes of storage, and a tiny 180 mAh battery that still manages up to 8 hours of playtime thanks to its ultra-efficient hardware. The Arduboy FX-C is priced at $99 or $178 for the 2-pat. But here's the catch. Only 500 units are being released, plus 100 of the 2-packs. A wider, color-matched version is planned later, but the first run is strictly limited. Shipping begins in December, and the company does ship internationally. European buyers will pay an additional $15 for delivery, not including customs fees. In a world of hyper-realistic graphics and massive game libraries, the Arduboy FX-C stands apart. It's not trying to replace your console. It's here to remind you why handheld gaming became magical in the first place. Simplicity, creativity, and pure pick-up-and-play fun. If you want a pocket-sized blast of nostalgia with a modern twist, this might be the handheld you've been waiting for.